Chrysler.
And the Chrysler. We're on our way to Hershey.
Yeah.
After not a lot of sleep and a lot of
the past 2 weeks have been like
stupid.
There's been a million things for us to buy in the last 2 weeks.
Oh God.
So we had to buy it all of it.
Yeah, that's the problem when Hershey's coming up and you're gonna be selling. It's like when stuff pops up for you to buy, or there's stuff leads that I had to go back and check on. It's like next thing I know,
Hershey's tomorrow,
and I have a pile of stuff that isn't even unloaded from the truck. So my driveway looks like a bomb went off, and it ended one side of my shop because it's like just trying to root through parts and put stuff together and price stuff and get this car together, and oh my God. But we made it. It's Tuesday. It's what, 9:30-ish, and we're not too far from the swap meet, and we're excited. We're gonna have the car in OAG 11 is where the Chrysler is going to be. Our buddy Jared that runs Cabin Fever Auction Company, he had 3 spare spaces in orange, and he's letting myself and some friends borrow those spaces to park and hang out at. We're going to be over in Chocolate selling parts with our friend Pete, and wander around, see what we find.
Yeah, today's kind of a setup day, so we're not really sure. We may not find anything. We might find cool stuff. It's kind of a ghost town until Wednesday morning, kind of, but we'll see what we find. Maybe we'll come across some good stuff.
I forgot my bicycle and all my manic running around, so...
Well, it's good he forgot it, because I'd be jogging behind him trying to keep up. So.
Yeah, but I can find better deals.
That's true. That's true.
But there's always neat stuff. There's always a rush on Tuesday of all the people running around trying to see what you can find as people are unloading, and there's always neat stuff. From today through Friday, there's going to be stuff getting pulled out of here that's crazy. I've already seen Instagram guys posting up really neat stuff that they're bringing to sell this year. It seems like it's going to be a really good year for neat stuff showing up. If the internet is a judge, it will be pretty cool. So
the internet is not real, man.
No, it's not.
Things on the internet are not real.
Hershey's real.
Hershey is real.
And if you're not a Hershey,
we feel bad for you.
You suck.
Yeah. So let's get to the swap meet. I drive a ginormous truck, so we're trying to get here as early as possible so my boat doesn't get stuck. So we're gonna try and shoehorn this baby in here. So
yep, should be fun. We'll show you guys what it's like for setup and wander around a little bit for day one, see if we find anything, and yeah, let's go. All right, so Mike's gonna try and back the trailer up. I had a ton of interest already. Everybody's loving it. You're almost right in it. Yeah, it's finally time.
T-shirt time.
Walk all the way across.
Yeah, so where the car's at and where we're set up at are basically on the opposite ends of the swap meet. So we're hoofing it with all the t-shirts.
Now I'm gonna lose weight this week.
Yeah, he's gonna go back to Skinny Murray.
I already am kind of skinny, man.
Yeah, mildly not. Almost, Matt. Almost a 32 grill.
It's just the bars were bowed in, and
10 minutes in.
10 minutes in, I'll spend $1,000.
Second 32 grill he looked at to buy.
I'm being good. It's been pretty good.
And here we are.
Outer space.
The man, the myth,
some hot
the
young
legend.
Babes.
Hey, here.
Oh, what the hell?
.32 truck radiator. What else did you get sent now?
Somebody sent me a... Oh, it's this one we already looked at.
Oh, 32 grill.
People were giving me leads.
Phone's been going off non-stop.
Yeah, that
So what are you carrying there, Matt?
The rarest of the rare.
Scott injection? Oh my
Early Scott
gosh.
injection with the fuel pump.
So not only do we have 97 Scott tops, you now have...
Scott injection.
What are you going to put that on?
The shelf.
The shelf?
Touch myself looking at it.
Oh, baby.
So yeah, maybe we'll...
And how many spots down from us?
We should maybe... let's see if Bruce Larson wants to check it out. Maybe he's familiar with these before. He's probably seen them once or twice. Hey, what's up?
8 spots down from where we're at.
Yeah, we only had to go a few spots, so we found some of the rare stuff.
With the fuel pump. And
With the fuel pump.
Better than drugs. It's a great hobby. When you tell somebody full thing,
Hershey madness has ended for me, and we're back home safe and sound. I was there from Tuesday morning pretty early all the way through till basically dark Friday. We were loading and packing the booth up. I had a great time. I met a ton of people that follow on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and also old friends that I only get to see once or twice a year, so it was a ton of fun. I got a pretty good bounty this year. I didn't buy a ton of quantity, but I bought some quality, some good stuff that was either really rare or just a really killer deal, and I couldn't pass it up. And I got a couple parts for projects that I need, including some pistons for the Merc engine that we're building for the T. Got a gas tank for the T. Got some carburetors for a future banger project, which we've had some sneak peeks of, but we'll start talking about here in the future, and just some other stuff. So I appreciate everybody that did stop by. I hope you guys liked the video. If you've never been to Hershey, you need to make it to Hershey at least once in your life. If you guys have any interest in the future of coming to Hershey, definitely shoot us an email, send me a DM, and I'd be happy to give you guys kind of a crash course on what you need to see, when you need to go, and what you need to do. Thanks guys for following along. I appreciate you guys watching. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thanks guys. Catch you later.